What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am currently at a truck show. It is the Indiana Truck Life first meet. We cruised up. I got my truck. We have Logan Laney's truck. We have Darren Carr and his truck. And on the far end, we have Jimmy and his truck. We met at the high school at 4:45, cruised up here. There's a lot of nice trucks here. I'm sure there's gonna be more that show up. I'm basically just gonna walk around, give you guys a view of everything so you guys can see it. But like I said, we cruised up. I'm sure there's gonna be more meets like this. I think this is the first one. They're just kind of seeing how it's gonna go from there. But I didn't even worry about washing my truck or anything because I was using it all day. So we're gonna take a lap, get some footage of everything, and then we'll see what we can come upon. So stay tuned, guys.
'76 Chevy Camper Special with the 454. I inherited it from my father when he passed. He worked on it for years and bought it when it was 2 years old in 1978. And of course, I was born in '66, so I was 12 when we got it. And I'm almost 53 now, so it's been in the family for 40-some years, and well, it's really sentimental to me.
All original then?
All original. The motor has been rebuilt with a bigger cam and stuff, but yeah, it's all original, except the wheels.
I say it's definitely a beautiful truck, guys.
Thank you.
It caught my eye when we pulled in, so I had to at least ask him if I could get a video and stuff of it. So, but I'll kind of give you guys a little walk around real quick of it. And then you said you changed the wheels and tires out. And
yeah, I changed the wheels and tires out.
But other than that, it's all original,
yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Anything done to exhaust wise or anything?
I just had a pair of duals put on it. That's
okay.
it. I mean, stock duals.
I say I'll walk around there and show you guys the back. And
you want me to start it?
yeah, you can start it. It's got 31,000 miles on it. He's got true duals on it. Oh wow.
Picture that.
Well guys, there's a little bit of footage for you from the show, not a whole lot, but we're getting ready to head out because we're going to my mom's house. But anyway, I know they're doing another show next Saturday. It used to be the Truckapalooza show, but they changed it to anything on wheels, so we'll probably be back for that, probably have another video of stuff like that. But anyway guys, if you're a new viewer, smash that subscribe button. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you in the next one.